Well, this is a video which I'll be making for people to understand the signs of the moon sighting. We'll call it as the signs of moon sighting. Okay, that's fine. A lot of people get confused. Why is that each place has got different sighting and all that? So I thought I'll make a video for you to understand. Well, let me give you the truth of the matter. Oh, this doesn't look like sun though. Anyways, it's more like a sun now. Now this sun is revolved by the earth. The earth revolves around the sun in a period of 365 days and sometimes 366 days, and that's the solar year. So that's how the earth revolves around the sun. And moreover, the sun rotates on its own axis, like it moves around like this. Okay, and the earth also, it rotates around its own axis, like it moves around like this itself. Okay, and similarly the earth is revolved by the moon revolves around the earth like this. So similarly, I would like to show how the moon revolves around the earth. So the earth is here. Not bad, looks like a better shape now. So the moon, it revolves around the earth. Similarly, it also rotates on its own axis, like it moves from the other way around. So all these constellations, they revolve and rotate. Now let us try to understand the signs of this matter. How does the month start, the lunar month start? So sun is here, the big sun. The earth is here, considerably, okay, it's small. And the moon, which revolves around the earth, it comes in between the sun and the earth. This is the day of conjunction. It's called the day of conjunction. So this moon, when it comes in between the sun and the earth, and that is the, you call it as Amavasya in India, and that is the no moon day or the new moon, wherein the sky is dark, you don't get to see the moon at all. And when the moon starts revolving around the earth, one revolution around the earth, it makes a lunar month. So now the moon is not to be seen because it comes exactly in between the sun and the earth. And moon of its own does not have light. Moon does not have light being generated from its own. So whatever light you get to see by the moon, it's because of the sun's reflection. So the moon, when it starts doing its tawaf, or it starts moving from here, it starts doing its circumambulation, starts the revolution, it moves about 12 degrees here. And when it comes to the point when it is 12 degrees here, that's when one get to see from earth, because the sun's rays hits onto the sides of the moon, and thereby the people here, they get to see the moon here. So people in this part of the earth will get to see, and people to the other part of the earth will not get to see. Henceforth, say for example, if the people in India happen to see the moon, the people in America would not get to see the moon because they are in opposite directions almost. So thereby the science of the matter is that the people in the whole of the world would not get to see the moon at one particular time. That's the reality. But the tawaf has already started. The moon is already here, and for people to witness. And by the time the Earth completes half a rotation, by then the Americans would be here, and by then the moon would have moved somewhere here. So therefore, the people in America, they would get to see a bigger moon. Well, people who've seen before, they'll get to see a smaller moon. So this is the reality of the matter. So if people can understand this, then they can try and figure out all this confusion, the local moon sighting, or the universal moon sighting, what is right and what is not right. So there are many such things which can be explained in the coming days. Inshallah, I hope you benefited from this. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.